So let's open up this Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow Tinted Moisturizer SPF 25 box. Now this I received from Influenster. It was complimentary in exchange for my honest review on this product. So let's take a look inside and see what we have. Right, so it looks like we have a paper telling us about this product. So it's new, it's vegan, Halo Healthy Glow Tinted Moisturizer SPF 25, infused with primer so it lasts all day, with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, gold, and peptides. Hydrates skin for up to 24 hours, oil-free, dewy finish. So we're going to try this one out. It looks like this is the product itself. So it's a nice size, 1.4 fluid ounces. This is the shade Fair Light. That is the one that I requested if they did send me this, and I'm so excited to try it. Let's do this. Hello everyone. So thank you so much for coming to watch this video today. Today we're actually going to be trying out a new product. So this is going to be the Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer. Something that I instantly love about this one is that it does have SPF 25 in it. I am a huge fan of tinted moisturizers or BB creams, anything like that that already has SPF in it. So this already has a huge check marked off in my book. So we're going to be trying this out. I did receive this product complimentary by providing my real and honest reviews about using it. So I haven't tried it out yet. This is going to be my first time trying it out with you guys here today. So let's get to it. So when I did enter my information to receive this product, I asked for the shade Fair and Light. So we're going to take a look at what this looks like. There's a little tip inside. It says use it as a tinted primer or layer under powder or foundation. So it looks like depending on the coverage you want, you can either just use it as a base or all the coverage that you need. We're gonna start, we're just gonna squeeze out a little bit onto my hand. It looks like a pretty good match for me. The consistency of this looks good. It's definitely thinner and on the more liquidy side. Let's see. Alright, so I just finished applying it all over my face. I actually really do like this. So typically what I would do is I would put a setting powder on after this, just because I'm not crazy about how dewy this finish is. That's just my personal preference. I do really think that this provides good coverage. Before I applied this, you could definitely see that my skin was more red. I hadn't done anything or applied anything yet since I woke up. So my skin definitely had a red tint to it. This seems to have covered it all up. Again, I already mentioned it has SPF in it, so I am really happy about that, because then I don't have to even apply a layer of SPF. This already has it in it. I do think this color was a perfect match for me. Typically I'm fair with neutral undertones, and I was given the shade Fair Light. I do think that this is a good match for my skin tone, so that's definitely a plus. And it feels light on my skin. I love the color. I think it matches well. The coverage is great. You can build it. So if you keep applying more, you're going to be able to keep building this up to what you'd like. Now, for me personally, for the summer, this is all I would wear. I wouldn't put anything else on top of it unless I was really looking for more of a glam, like full out look. I'm so excited that I got to try this out. Stay tuned, because I'm definitely going to be using this in more of my tutorials going forward. Again, this is a Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer, Broad Spectrum SPF 25. I received the shade Fair Light. Definitely check it out if you're interested. I'm going to be posting it on my Instagram. And if you follow the app Influenster, I have an account on there. It's under my blog, the Banannie Diaries, where I do go in and I review products like this. Again, they sent me this complimentary in exchange for my honest review, and you got it. I absolutely love this. I think this is a great product, and I will 100% be using this more. Thank you guys so much for watching.